you wear like a cricketer t-shirt. So what is your ambition? I think you are big want to becoming like a cricketer.
No, no,
I think
actually,
your passion.
I don't like cricketer at all. My favorite
Oh,
game is football. I really like football.
oh, that's good.
And
That's good.
and I got this T-shirt when I was in college. That
Hmm.
time I got this T-shirt from an organization.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's good. That's good. So,
First favorite.
as you know, you are telling me you are speaking journey and all about also same mention. So, what did you think about English? It's a very difficult or easy. What's your opinion?
Actually, nothing is impossible. Everything is possible if I try from our
Hmm?
way. And English is same. English is not easy. And if I talk about before my speaking journey,
Hmm?
I couldn't speak English a little bit. I can't speak a sentence. But after starting practice, I can speak a little bit of English. Then after practicing, now I'm able to speak English. I can
Yeah.
explain everything. I can explain everything. I can answer. If you question me, I can answer it English very well. So
Yeah.
if Union practice English every day, I think he will be speak as soon as possible. So I think
Yeah. Definitely.
practice is everything. If Union practice, they can learn anything.
Yeah, definitely. You are true. Also speak true because practice is the more important to learn this language. And not only this language. If you want to do something in future, so first one you need to more and more learn, and you need to more and more speak. This is the mantra of English language.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
So if you don't mind, can I see your outside? Can you show me your outside? It's it's really nice. Are you sitting on the table or?
yeah. I'm table on the
Okay,
table.
okay, okay. Is it your work sector?
No, no, no. I'm not a my work sector.
So,
Actually, I'm
sorry.
out of home. I'm sitting out of home.
Okay,
So where I feel very
okay, okay.
comfort. That's why I'm trying to
I
this
understand.
area,
Yeah,
choosing
this.
this area because English is a required comfort zone. If you are going to your comfort zone, you can speak clearly and you can speak loudly. You can easily understand what you say and what people say. This is
Yeah,
all about.
true, true. I agree. I agree. So actually, this place is very beautiful. That's why I asked you.
Oh, thank you so much. Because
Yeah.
this time now it's evening time and nature is all about this amazing. So
Okay,
your picture also like clearly. If
okay.
you yeah,
In yeah, now in my country, winter season is going on. So what about your country? Which
same.
okay,
Yeah,
same.
2 3 days ago I started winter and I think it's a very cold now this time. I'm also wearing.
Yeah, warm wearing. Put I can see.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. So actually, I want to know, have you finished your study?
yeah. I have done master
Oh my God.
and
So,
I have done diploma degree and I have done computer diploma DCA. You know DCA.
okay, okay,
Yeah.
DC. Okay, okay. So now, are you working? Is your dream job, or are you want to do a good job in your future?
Actually, I'm working in a Maruti Suzuki company. You know, it's car company.
Car
You know,
company,
Maruti Suzuki.
Maruti. I know about Suzuki in my
Yeah, I'm
country.
working there. Yeah,
Okay,
I'm working there. I'm working there. So not my I think not any plan to switch my job because I'm happy my job.
Okay,
Okay,
that means you are satisfied to doing this job.
yeah, I'm certified. But if I get chance to in future, so definitely I will do.
Okay, I understand. And I'm study at university. I'm student of first year.
Oh, that's good. What do you want to be in future?
Actually, I don't feel like job, and there are lots of pressure on job. Actually, I wanna a independent job in where there is no pressure.
Mm.
In future, in future,
Oh,
I wanna do freelancing as well as
oh,
YouTubing. Yeah,
oh,
this
that's good. That's good.
this is my
That's
future
good.
dream.
Yeah, right. That's good. So, uh, you are Muslim. So, are you know about Quran? Are you read Quran or not?
Actually, I know about Quran and I know how to read, but I'm very lazy person. I don't read. So first about you,
Oh,
are you Muslim or any religions?
I'm Muslim. I'm Muslim. You know, Lucky Ali. My name is Lucky Ali.
Lucky Ali. Okay, so
Yeah,
what's the meaning of your name? Do you know?
Lucky. Lucky,
Okay, Lucky. I know.
Lucky Ali.
Do you know first
Ali.
the okay? What's the meaning of Lucky Ali? Do you know
Mm.
first meaning of Lucky Ali? Your name.
Actually, lucky means you know about lucky, but I think I'm not lucky. But
Okay.
this is my name also. But I think this is not my real name. Okay, because I think this is my short name.
Okay.
Short
Okay.
name.
Okay. Do
I
you
can
know?
use. I can use only short name as a.
Okay, okay, understand. And as you see, my name is Aminul Islam, and
Yeah,
the meaning of my name is the protect of Islam, maybe.
yeah. I know. Aminul Islam. This is a very beautiful name, and your Amimun and some I think in Quran also there
Yeah,
some word also.
there is there is a ayat maybe in Quran Sharif.
Yeah.
So
Um,
so do you prayer 5 times in a day?
Actually, I'm not practicing 5 day, but yeah, Friday every Friday I will go there to pray namaz also because this area not any mosque. Okay, to practice.
There is there
Okay,
is there is no
no
mocks.
marks.
Oh my God.
That's why. That's why. And every Friday I will go there and
Okay,
practice.
okay. And
Okay,
now you are now
namaz.
you now you are at your work sector. So, what's your where do you live? Which part of Delhi do you live?
Actually, I'm live in Haryana.
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 Okay.
Yeah,
So,
it's a near to Delhi. It's a near to Delhi.
okay,
It's a
understand.
border. You can say like a border.
Okay, okay, okay. So there is no mosque available besides your work sector. You can
Yeah,
pray. You can pray at your work sector. Is there any available secure room or not?
actually, I have secure room, but I think mostly time many people also come out. So I think this is not good for me. So that's why I'm not practicing. But yeah, definitely I will start also
Okay, as a Muslim, we
because
should, yeah,
without namaz, I think not I can say कि I'm Muslim. I
yeah,
think
you are right. You are right.
this is
As
the right to.
as a Muslim, we should pray 5 times, and
Yeah,
it's the order from our God.
yeah,
And namaz is the key of Jannat.
yeah. Jannat.
So
First time Allah say in all the humanity uh, uh, namaz. Then after asking what about what about want to? But
Yeah,
first time Allah say only namaz.
yeah, you are right. You are right. We should pray 5 times.
Yeah, definitely I will do. And
Ac- Yeah, actually, I'm very lazy. There are many mosques in my village. I'm living a village in my country,
y-
and
yeah,
many.
my village also, where when I come to my village it's a big village, and they are it's a big mosque also. My just uh, two house after 2 hours after my
And
mosque is a very big, and they all 5 day practicing namaz 5 day also, and they provide also olima there.
Alima.
They, yeah.
Okay, okay, I understand. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. We already talked about everything, and I already told you I'm a student of university. I'm doing honors student honors first year. So already you are doing a job. You are doing such a nice job. So if I want some suggestion from you, how will I take job preparation?
Sorry.
How will I take preparation for job, government job?
Yeah, no, not my government job, private limited job.
Yeah, yeah, I understand. Actually, I want some suggestion for me from you. How
Yeah.
will I take preparation for job, for good job? How will I take
Okay.
preparation? Tell me something about it.
Actually, if you want to becoming like you, like what do you want to becoming like your future? So first one, you make a plan to, and you consider to every time, every day, to your according to your plan. Because if you are becoming good speaker, what do you want? First one, your dream is first choose. Dream is the first choice, because if you are not choosing any dream, so someone say like ki, private jobs are very good. So how can rectify if your job like ki private job also good or not? So first one, you should uh, uh, one have dream also, dream, and then you can consider to work there, and definitely you will become also like as your uh, other other person. So first one, uh, choose your what do you want in
Yeah,
future.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So already we talked about 6 minutes. This is my first.
Okay.
I talked a long time with.
Okay. Thank you so much.
So
I will again, I will join again.
okay, okay. Next time we'll join again. Okay, if you get time, then
Okay.
text me. Okay.
Definitely.
Thank you so much for giving me a
Thank you.
good.
Have a day. Have a good day.
Have a good